This video is about how to repair a Black Decker Steam Mop.
The most common reason that the steam mop doesn't produce steam is that there is a fault with this small valve. It becomes stuck. So we can easily access the bottom of the valve here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the pipe. The pipe runs underneath here, back around here. So I'm going to remove the clip from this pipe here, which connects the pipe to the heater. And I'm just going to remove it from the heater so that I can pull it through a little bit. That just gives me a bit more space to work with. Now it's important to remember which way round this went. So this is a one-way valve and it allows water to flow through in one direction but not the other. And the fault with this is that it becomes stuck and doesn't allow water to flow through in either direction. You can test it by blowing through from either side, and in one direction you should be able to blow through, in the other direction you shouldn't. So to repair the valve, what we need to do is remove the 3 screws that hold it together. Lift off the lid, and then you can see there's a little rubber insert. Now if you just lever up the insert, you can just check that the holes are clear, and if you insert it back in, just make sure that little parts are free. That's probably enough to clear the fault. So at this point you can screw the valve body back together and then check once again whether you can blow through the valve now. And if you can, that's the fault fixed. We're going to reattach it with the circlip.
Parts 1 and 3 of the video are listed below. If you've not been with me before, please press subscribe over there on the right, and good luck with your repair.